To change wallpaper on the POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select personalization. Now you can scroll all the way down to the system wallpapers, or you can choose one of the wallpapers from the store. If we go for more options, we'll be able to find the system wallpapers. Let's pick this one as our wallpaper and then we can apply it. You can apply it to lock screen, home screen, or both of them, and you can also add this wallpaper to the mix. So let's set it as both and agree like this. That way we'll get this wallpaper on our home screen and lock screen. Now when it comes to custom wallpapers, just open your gallery and find the photo that you want to use for your wallpaper. Then click on the three dots, click on set as wallpaper, and then you need to click on apply and choose either lock screen, home screen, or both of them again. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.